Is your dynamic vision okay? In this channel, we will train your dynamic visual acuity and observation skills. There are multiple training methods. It's all easy. Please watch until the end to improve your dynamic visual acuity and observation skills. So let's get started. The first training is dynamic vision. A red circle will appear on the screen. A yellow circle will appear from the top of the screen. Please stop the screen when the yellow circle enters the red circle. If you just stop the yellow circle inside the red circle, the image will change. If you are watching on TV, please press the channel stop button to stop playback. If you are using a mobile phone, please press the stop button to stop playback. 3, 2, 1. Once again. 3, 2, 1. In the second half, there will be dynamic visual acuity training again. A number will appear. Can you see the numbers? Next. Do concentration training. A number will appear. There is only one different number. Please find it. Correct answer. Next. Correct answer. The numbers will move around the screen. There are 3 speed levels. Level 1 slow. Level 2 normal. Level 3 fast. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Correct answer. Next. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Correct answer. Next. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Correct answer. There are numbers inside the circles. Do you understand that number? Correct answer. Next. Correct answer. This is a training for concentration and observation skills. 2 images will appear on the screen. The images are live action style and anime style. Training is easy. Please guess which one is the live action style image. Correct answer. Next. Correct answer. Next. Correct answer. The last step is dynamic vision training. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Once again. 3, 2, 1. That's all for training. Did you have fun training? We will be broadcasting regularly, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching until the end.